Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here to do from trash or rags to treasure and riches. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is take some of my scraps that I have. I'm gonna build a card. So I'm gonna use some scrap wallpaper, some scrapbook paper with my art glitter glue here. And we're going to use, let's see here. Let's pull out all of these and see what we're going to use. All of this here, not this. We can use some butterflies, a little birdie. We can even use these. I think I'm going to use one of these. Or we can use a sailboat. Let's see. What are we going to do? We have a whole bunch of flamingos. We have some deer. We have some geese. We have a little mermaid. Or a few little mermaids. And we're just gonna go with this butterfly here, flamingos, and see what we're gonna do. Now, for my cards, I don't put the sentiments right away. I wait until see who gets it, then I put the sentiment in it. That way it goes with whoever gets the card for whatever reason. Okay, first I'm going to cut this to the size of my card, but probably a little smaller. So I'm going to get my paper trimmer. And let's see. I want it, my card is 5. Well, can't measure it that way now, can I? Mine's going to be a long ways card. Okay, so it's 6.5 by 5.25, I think. Let's remeasure. Measure twice, cut once, right, guys? So I'm going to use my vector ruler and measure. Going across is 4 1/8 this way. I'm going to go down lengthwise. It is 5 7/10. It's a weird card, but that's the way it's going to be. So I'm going to go in a little and cut my wallpaper. And then I'm going to measure, right on the button. So I'm going to go like right here to make it a little edge on top. I'm going to put my paper upside down so I can get my fold in the ridge and cut. Okay. You can also use a guillotine cutter for this, but I'm using what I have, and that's perfect. Okay. Just perfect. So now I want to set up my card to make sure I want it done the way I have it in mind. So we're going to go with this long piece here. I'm going to cover this part here with it and go right up to here. So I'm going to mark it a little light mark. Then I'm going to get my guillotine cutter, if I can find it. Well, I guess we're going to use some scissors. and just trim it off with the scissors. Go right up to your mark here and just trim it like that, plain and simple. So we're gonna put this back here and we're gonna mark this here. Yes, that's just the way I want it. Just the way I want it. Okay, so I'm gonna commit to these two without thinking too much. And I'm gonna glue this. You can use whatever glue you want. My choice is the art glitter glue. And make sure my card's open in the right way. Center this. And there we go with that. Now I'm gonna re-measure here. And I want, that's perfect. So we're gonna commit to this with our glue. You see, I have it in an easy squeeze, little easy squeeze bottle. It's my art glitter glue, but it's in an easy squeeze bottle. It's soft enough to squeeze it easier for me. So I'm gonna, and with art glitter glue, it gives you a little room to, a little wiggle room, and commit to that. Now, whether we want the bow or the flamingos. I'm gonna go with the flamingos because of the annual outlook of it. I'm gonna put them right here. And then I have another butterfly that I'm gonna put right up catty corner. That one, or maybe this little one. I'm gonna go with the little one. Don't overthink it, just commit to it. I'm gonna put my glue on my flamingos. Now these are 3D flamingos, so it's gonna really pop off the card. I'm gonna stick them right here. Okay. Let me put a little bit more under here so it'll stick. Hold it for a few. And there we go. Now for the butterfly. And you're gonna see I didn't put no edging on it. I didn't ink the edges, is what I mean. Simply because I have something else in mind for it. I'm gonna put this right here. And I'm going to trim it here. And then I'm going to put this piece on first and then measure the other piece. Okay. There. Put this right up to there. And I see I need to clip off one more. Right there. And I can just push that up there. There we go. We got this piece on. Now we're going to go up here and do that. But first I'm going to put my glue. Then put the bling. And I can just trim it. Well, without knocking the bling off. Hold it there for a minute. There. I can edge here also with the bling, and that's what I'm going to do. And possibly on the top. Not sure yet. I don't want to overdo it. I'm just going to hold this so I can clip the top off. Hold it there for a second. Make sure the rest is all pushed in there. It'll dry. I'm just going to clip these two off. And we have our card here. There. I want to put a flower sticker in the corner, but that one won't fit. How about this one? We'll go, oh, okay. No, it won't fit. I think I'm going to leave it just like this. Card done. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I do more videos. You wouldn't want to miss anything. So I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, crafty angels, be kind, be caring, be loving, be crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. See y'all on the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.